Hello, welcome guys. It's your boy Rex for the manual, and I'm just here to share my little knowledge on the Forex market and some of the things that are helping me mitigate certain challenges and losses. Like I'll tell you, I'm still trading my demo and I'm trying to bring in all the strategies and make sure that I put education first before investing directly real funds into the market. And I'll do that shortly with my by passing my prop firm. So my my idea is to pass this, then I'll be prepared to pass my prop firm and I'll be trading real money. Okay, so let's get into it. Last video I talked about psychological levels and how to impute them. The importance of psychological levels. They are just areas where price goes to and they react. Example, this one. When price breaks it, it does not go far, it reacts. It goes here, it breaks this, it does not go far, it reacts. It goes here, it breaks it, retests, comes down again. So psychological levels are usually areas where price reactions just happen at that region. Reactions just basically happens at those regions. Now the question is why? Now why do they happen? Because we are humans and human beings would always behave like human beings. We always want a particular price. People just want to buy things at round number. Let's make it round number. I don't know if you're Nigerian watching me, but from where I'm from in Nigeria, we always say just make them round number. People just like that phrase, round number. And it's not a Nigerian thing. I think it's a global thing with the human psychology. Now, if you want to reverse that psychology, what they do in ShopRite is they put ShopRite is more like a shopping mall over here. So I don't know what shopping mall is over in your region, but you see things like nine. If a product sells for let's say 10,000 naira, you see 9,999 naira. Now that one naira difference just tricks your mind to believe, oh, okay, it's a bit cheaper than 10,000 naira. I don't know, they're just reversing your psychology. Instead of giving you that 000, then your mind is always wants, oh, they're giving you something lesser than 000. Oh, okay, that's a fair price. And that's why people buy this. So they reverse the psychology. So your mind wants to buy at fixed numbers, yes, whole numbers. Now, what happens in the forex market? Everything, all these charts you're seeing are human beings. They are created by human beings. So naturally, people just want to buy or sell off or just make profits at round numbers. That's just so people will set their stop loss. They say entry. They will put their entry at 0 point something, like 1980. They will put their entry. Take profit 1970, 100 pips, and they're out of the market. Very easy. Yes. And little tips for you guys. Every day, like it's very, very rare that gold do not give you 100 pips. Like solid 100 pips. Gold must move 100 pips every day, except Mondays. But apart from Mondays, you get correct 100 pips. Like this is a Monday now. Look at it. It's just ranging. Did not get. So even if you enter there, you used to get 100 pips. You just be playing around. It doesn't. That's just good for you on Mondays. And I don't know why Mondays like that. So let's see another Monday. This is Monday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See another Monday. See, it's just doing anyhow. I don't know. It's just like that. That's how Mondays are. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See another Monday. Just careless, careless movements. It wouldn't give you 100 pips. But that's out of it. That's digressing. Now, if you already have that psychology that people are buying from these levels, what do? You have to be able to prepare yourself to either enter or exit at that level. To either enter what or exit at that level. That is what should be on your mind. Like strictly on your mind. How do I enter this level? How do I exit? Now you don't do this thing alone. You have to bring in trend lines. Like I have here. This is the trend line. Let me shrink this. So trend line, two troughs, one touch. So it's going down, it has touch again. And I'm expecting it to come down. Yes, that's what I'm expecting. But that's just what it is. People would always buy from this level. But the question is, how do we do it? So let's get into it. How do I know my psychological level? Let's clear the chart. Remove drawing. Okay. Now we have a naked chart. the first thing you would do is to have this at the back of your mind. The distance between one psychological level and the next psychological level is just 20 pips. And that's how gold works. Now there's what we call the mid psychological level. I don't know if you can see those lines in between. There's one line here in between here. Just that's your mind. It's just tricking your mind to probably play around with your mind. But then the distance between one main psychological level and that psychological level is like 20 pips, 200 pips rather. And that's just like from here to here. So what do I do? Now, this is where my price is. So what's the next whole number to me? Even whole number. Let me just say it, even whole number, yeah. So my even whole number is 1940. So that's where I'll put my next, I'll just draw a horizontal line to put it. So I'll click on it and go and change it in the settings so as to align. Oh, this is good. So I'm just trying to make it align, and I hope it does. Okay, how do I make it align? My next whole number is 1940. I'll press OK. Oh, so did you notice something? That price came and reacted, price came and reacted, price came and reacted, price came and reacted, price came and reacted. It took out this liquidity. It took out all these liquidities that have been forming here. There's liquidity here. Just look at this. There's liquidity here throughout this region. Oh, my pencil's not around. There's liquidity here. You just took it out and boom, went up. Ah, bro, how many of us got that? How many of us got that gist? So that place is people just come there. Oh, if it bounces here, oh, it's at the 40 range because there are so many people buying. No, they will just try it again, buying just like that. Now, how do you get the next psychological level? I told you it's like 20, 200 pips. And for you to count 200 pips, it's just like 20, adding 20 to the number you have before. So let's add another one, another psychological level. We'll click on it, make adjustments. Last one was 1940. This one will be 1940 plus 20, that's 1960. Now we have 1960. So the next thing you do is what? You look for the next psychological level. And I told you it's just 2 pips, like 20 pips rather. So what do? I add my next psychological level. Then I just come here and adjust it. Plus, okay, not that one. It's this one. This is the one I'm looking for. Okay, yes. So I'll come here and adjust it. 1960 plus 20, that's 1980. Okay, now see, clean. Are you noticing that price is reacting? Let's not waste time. Let's add another one. Let's just add another one. You can start adding it for your gold. That's how I look at gold. Now, what's the next one I'm adding? I'm clicking here. I'll just click here. Okay, let me just know which one. What's the next one I'm adding? Okay. Oh, 1980 plus 20. That's 2000. Oh, okay, great. Wow. Oh, have you noticed something? It tapped here, bounced out. Tapped here, bounced. Came here, broke it. Cry. And came here, reacted. Came here, reacted before it broke it again. Are you getting it? I don't know if you are seeing what I'm seeing, but then it's exciting. So I don't have to kill myself. Just imagine, oh, okay, there's a region here, so it's my support or that kind of thing. Because gold obeys support and resistance very well. So just add another one. Sorry for this. So I'll just add another one. Okay. Yes. So I've just added another one. At where will I add it? So plus 20. I'll just add 20 to this. If I add 20, what do I have? I have 2020. Okay. Wow. See reaction. It didn't get to here. It reacted. Came, broke it. Came here. Reacted. Touch. This one reacted to the bounce stop. So let's just go one more level and I will show you the mid levels and how to add them. Okay, so let's just add one more. Then we'll add mid psychological level and we are good. So how do we add them? From 2020 to this 2040. So I'll just add 40. And are you noticing? Are you noticing something? Are you noticing things? God, are you noticing things? Yes, I know you are. Okay, now this is how you know. So When price gets to here, you sell. Anything in between, you just leave, don't sell or buy. If price gets here, you sell. Anything in between, don't sell or buy. Just like that. Gets here, sell. Gets here, you sell. Now, why are you selling? Because there's a trend line here. There's a trend. You are making, okay. I thought you guys price action now. I said I would teach structure. So probably we'll do that. So this high, low, high, retested, came back here. It didn't pass this high again. So this is another high that has been formed. It didn't pass this one. It broke it. Now I made another low. It went up. It didn't retrace that much. Came down. This one has been broken. Just like that. Came so it's automatically in a low trend. Now I'm seeing it. What I'm seeing here is what I will call a trend change. A trend change. So it came there. Instead of breaking down, it didn't break it. Came here. Okay, broke this one, made another low, went up, came down, went up. It has come down. It has broken this one now. So if it breaks this one, just know it's in a downtrend. But if it comes here and goes up, trend has changed. But that's not what we are talking about now. So the mid psychological level. How do we know mid psychological level? Mid psychological level is just 10 pips and it's usually in between here. So I'll just put one. I don't usually put it, but I just want you to know that something like that exists. So I'll just put, okay, let me just change the color. Okay, let me leave this one as blue. Okay, so let's put another one. So we'll change this one now, okay, to, let's say, color red. Yeah. Now the mid psychological level, let me just choose random. Let me choose here. So mid psychological level between this and this is what? 1980 is 1990. So I'll just change this one to 1990. Let's see if you notice anything. 1990. Are you seeing? Are you seeing? Came here, reacted. This one came here, reacted. Are you seeing? Are you seeing, guy? I'm not the only one seeing this. So I don't want to make this video super long. I believe this has been helpful to you. And if you can add this to your training or your strategy or anything, support and resistance is very important. Support is just how the market is, just like demand and supply. It's not like it's not support and resistance, rather demand and supply zones. These are just demand and supply zones. So where there is much demand, like here now, there's too much demand. There's too much supply now. People are supplying because they are selling off, and then they are selling off the asset. They are bringing more assets to the market. It starts falling, and because it came here, people needed more. People have been selling up to here, from here to here. They started selling, so people will start buying because the price is cheap. It will go up just like that. So this one has gone down now. People have sold. So the price is very cheap. People start buying from here and it will pull up. That's it. That's the market for you. So I'll see you in our next video where we'll bring you more exciting content. Probably in our next video, I'll be talking about structure and similar structural analysis. But till then, just use this on our whole body and put it into practice. See how it will turn out. Tomorrow is a new market, is a new trading day. Just do your best and put in your best to make sure that you take full advantage of the market. So till then, I will see you soon. Expect more videos from this channel. I'm really excited and I really want to see us making money. I really want to see myself passing my prop firm, doing everything. I'll bring you guys all details and I'll be updating this channel so that you see the progress and you see how I've grown so far. So see you in our next video.